Hello students, welcome to banking classes. Dear students, now today I am going to start the last topic of the banking chapter, that is unit 4, and that is law relating to negotiable instruments. And dear students, those who are from the commerce side and those who have opted for accounts, in accounts also we have already started Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. Dear students, today we will discuss about definition and characteristics of checks. अब बेटा मैं आपको थोड़ा सिर्फ इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स इसमें डिस्कस कर लिया करूँगा. अब बेटा कह रहे हैं चेक को आप कैसे डिफाइन करोगे. A check is a bill of exchange drawn on a bank, payable always on demand. Thus, a check is a bill of exchange with two additional conditions, namely, it is always drawn on a banker, it is always payable on demand. So, a check, being a species of bill of exchange, must satisfy all the requirements of a bill. It does not require acceptance. Now, parties to the check. The following are the parties to a check: the drawer, the person who draws the check; the drawee, the banker of the drawer on whom check is drawn; the payee, one to whom sum stated in the check is payable. Either the drawer himself or any other person may be the payee. अब बेटा अगर मैंने किसी को चेक दिया है तो चेक के ऊपर जिसका नाम लिखा हुआ है he is the payee. The holder is either the original payee or any other person to whom payee has endorsed the check. In case of bearer check, the bearer is the holder. Endorser. When the holder endorses the check to anyone else, the latter becomes the endorser. और बेटा endorsee क्या है? Is the person to whom check is endorsed. All these things we have discussed in the bills of exchange. Essentials of a check. It is always drawn on a banker. It is always payable on demand. It does not require acceptance. Checks may be payable to the drawer himself. The banker is liable only to the drawer. और बेटा जो चेक है, check is usually valid for 3 months in India and no stamp is required to be affixed on a check. चेक के ऊपर कोई भी स्टैम्प की जरूरत नहीं है. अब बेटा this is very very important. Types of check. Basically there are 3 types of check: open check and crossed check, bearer check and order check, antedated check और stale check और post dated check. ओपन चेक का मतलब क्या बेटा? जो कि क्रॉस्ड नहीं है. क्रॉस चेक का मतलब क्या है? चेक के ऊपर क्रॉस्ड है, यानी इफ द चेक इज क्रॉस्ड द पेमेंट विल बी मेड ओनली टू द पर्सन whose name is written on the check, or it may be a firm, it may be a company, it may be anything. Bearer check, a check which is payable to any person who presents its payment at the bank counter is called a check which is payable to any person who presents it for payment at the bank counter is called bearer check. अगर बेटा आपने चेक के ऊपर नाम लिखा हुआ है, जो भी चेक बैंक काउंटर पे प्रेजेंट करेगा उसको बोलते हैं बेरर चेक. अब बेटा एंटीडेटेड चेक, चेक इन विच ड्रॉअर मेंशन द डेट अर्लियर टू द डेट ऑफ प्रेजेंटिंग इट फॉर पेमेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल, a check issued on 20th May 2015 may bear a date 5th May 2015. A stale check, a check which is issued today must be presented before the bank for payment within a stipulated period time. Validity period of check in India is 3 months. अगर आप किसी चेक को 3 months के बाद बेटा पेमेंट करते हो वो स्टेल बन जाता है. स्टेल का मतलब हो गया बेकार बन गया. पोस्ट डेटेड चेक, एक ऐसा चेक जिसपे आगे का डेट मेंशन हो और बेटा द बैंक विल मेक पेमेंट ओनली ऑन दैट डेट. और बेटा जो लास्ट था म्यूटिलेटेड चेक. म्यूटिलेटेड चेक बेटा दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. In case a check is torn into 2 or more pieces and presented for payment, such a check is called a mutilated check. अब बेटा चेक 2 हिस्से में फट गया. The bank will not make payment against such a check without getting confirmation of the drawer. But if a check is torn at the corners and no material fact is erased or cancelled, the bank may make payment against such a check. So dear students, today you will write down one question what is check, what are the essentials of a check, and what are the different types of check. That's all for today. Thank you.